got some of the parts laid out here that we're going to be putting onto the long block. Hey, what's up guys? Javier from That Racing Channel, back for a quick update on the TRC R32 GTR project. Here we have the completed RB30 engine, and we're going to go ahead and walk you through some of the parts that make this thing happen. So for those of you who are new to the project, it is a Spool Imports 3.2 liter stroker. So that's RB30 is a 3.0 from the factory, and we stroked it to a 3.2 liter with a billet crank from Spool Imports and their piston rod combo. So we'll start here at the top. We got our cool Nismo oil cap. And you can't miss this. Jet powder coating in Pompano Beach, Florida. Those guys killed it. As you can see, it just came out flawless. We'll show some before and after clips here. They're going to be our official powder coating team for the project. They're going to do basically all our intercooler piping, basically anything. We're going to actually get the turbo coated, and then I think we're going to ceramic coat the turbine housing as well. So that should be pretty sweet. So here we have the Hypertune race intake manifold. We had the same one. We actually ran the same one on the TRC Supra. We absolutely loved it, so of course we had to go back to Hypertune for that. This is a twin rail here, 12 ID 1350s. And here we have an 82mm throttle body. It's a drive-by-wire throttle body. We also have the Platinum Racing crank and cam trigger kit. So it's this piece here, and then also back here. We also made this bracket in-house here to custom fit a 120 amp Nissan Quest alternator. And we got this Ross Performance Parts pulley here to eliminate the four-wheel steering and to also use the R33 GTS power steering pump. Got ourselves a nice ATI pulley here. Moving over here, we got Precision 7685 turbo. Same one we ran on the TRC 240 and the TRC Supra. Absolutely love that turbo, so we're gonna give that one a shot first, see how she does. Got twin Precision turbo and engine wastegates. Custom-made manifold from Hypertune. So this is specifically made for an RB30 to sit inside of an R32 for basically custom fit for clearance. As the, obviously the RB30 sits about an inch taller than 26 would, so definitely need all the space we can get. We also have individual EGTs in the runners here. So moving back here, we got the Spool Imports head drain kit. So this allows basically any excess oil in the head to drain back into the pan here. So coming around to this side here, we have a custom mounted Peterson external oil pressure regulator. So as everyone knows, the oiling is a really big deal with the RBs here. So we wanted to be able to adjust, our oil pressure on the fly. So on the table here, we have the clutch for the project. It's the OS Geiken R4C. It's a quad plate clutch. This one came recommended from the boys in Australia. Some of the guys that gave us some tidbits on what was working for them, and a couple guys had mentioned that it had worked really well with their PPG setups. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot. So one of the updates that we're most excited about, we think is going to be super impactful to the project, is the engine management. I'm so happy to say that Motec came on board with the project, and we're going to be running a Motec M150 for the R32 project. So here we have it, guys. Arguably one of the best and most potent engine management systems out there. We couldn't be more excited. We picked up the Motec from Real Street Performance, and we're actually going to be teaming up with Jay from Real Street Performance for tuning support. So we're super excited to dive into that, and Jay just has a plethora of knowledge, not only when it comes to running a PPG sequential in his own car, but just with the Motec, everything they're doing with Geo Supra, and just that whole Motec program is phenomenal. So we are super pumped. Quick update on Andre's build. This thing is coming together. Just needs a little bit of wiring, and we're gonna fire it up. Pumped to show you guys this build too. So for now, it's a VQ project. He's getting everything, all fitted, and he's gonna test everything with the VQ, and he's got a VR38 waiting to drop in here once this thing pops. So I'm gonna squeeze it and see what she can make. We'll keep you guys posted on this too. All right, guys, so next steps, we're gonna get all the little mist stuff bolted back onto the body of the Skyline. Then we're gonna take the completed engine and the PPG trans. We're gonna take it over to Build Design and get it all bolted in.